Thanksgiving is known not only for a time of giving thanks, but also for the gigantic meal served with friends and family. Families often gorge themselves with turkey, stuffing, and pie. After the hefty meal, most turn towards the couch to fall into their so-called food coma, or naps taken after this meal because of the increased drowsiness. But what is the actual cause of this? People blame their tiredness on the turkey they consume, but are they right to do so? Does turkey actually make you sleepy?
As we all know, we usually consume turkey as a Thanksgiving tradition to celebrate this holiday full of festivities. The turkey that we eat for Thanksgiving is made of meat, bones, skin, and nutrients. In the meat of the turkey, it contains tryptophan, which is one of the 20 amino acids that are naturally occurring. These amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. However, not all amino acids are created equally. Some are more common than others, but tryptophan is the scarcest one among them, in addition to it being an essential amino acid. An essential amino acid is an amino acid that our body is incapable of producing, and because the human body is incapable of creating tryptophan on its own, we have to consume foods such as turkey to obtain it.
When exposed to tryptophan, the human body makes serotonin and melatonin, which are neurotransmitters that affect mood and regulate sleep respectively. Thus, it is believed turkey caused sleepiness. Though tryptophan does not induce drowsiness when consumed alone, it does not typically have the effect when consumed as part of a meal. Tryptophan, along with several amino acids, circulate through the bloodstream after ingestion. With the help of insulin, many of these amino acids in the bloodstream are absorbed by muscles. Insulin, which is released by the carbohydrate-heavy side dishes of Thanksgiving, helps muscles absorb most amino acids in the blood except tryptophan, thus increasing the proportion of tryptophan relative to other amino acids in the body. Consequently, more tryptophan will be absorbed into the brain, increasing serotonin and melatonin levels, causing post-Thanksgiving food coma.
The culprit is actually a combination of insulin, melatonin, and serotonin. Insulin is produced to help moderate blood sugar, which spikes after a meal. The larger the meal, the more the carbohydrates and proteins it contains, the higher the blood sugar spikes. More insulin is produced as a result. This, however, is not limited to sugar. Many of these insulin receptors are in the hypothalamus, a region of the brain controlling various aspects of the nervous and endocrine systems. Several of these insulin-sensitive systems are related to sleep and wake cycles. Orexin, a neurotransmitter produced by specialized neurons, is believed to be a stimulant that promotes wakefulness. Narcolepsy, a condition characterized by the inability to control the timing of sleep, is caused by a deficiency of orexin. As it happens, orexin neurons in the hypothalamus are inhibited by insulin. The bigger the meal, the more glucose there is in the blood, more insulin is produced, which reduces the production of orexin. Lethargy ensues. At the same time, insulin also exerts positive control over sleep in the hypothalamus by stimulating the production of melanin concentrating hormone, or known as MCH. MCH, like orexin, also helps to regulate sleep and wakefulness, but unlike orexin, MCH promotes sleepiness.
We have debunked the myth. Turkey, in fact, does not make you sleepy. It is true that turkey contains tryptophan, an amino acid that is known for the post-meal dose. It is a long-standing belief, propagated by popular media, that turkey possesses an exceptionally high amount of tryptophan. However, turkey does not have significantly more tryptophan than other meats. It is a combination of factors and food that leads to the sleepiness individuals feel after a Thanksgiving meal.